The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. Here are 20 features that position it as the best Android smartphone available. Performance and core specs. Exclusive Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, a custom-tuned, industry-leading processor, Qualcomm SM8750-AB or similar, delivering best-in-class CPU and GPU performance, especially for demanding tasks like 3D gaming and on-device I/O. Ultra-fast RAM and storage, featuring up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage for blistering app load times, seamless multitasking, and immense storage capacity. Advanced Vapour Chamber Cooling, a highly efficient cooling system to sustain peak performance during intense gaming sessions or heavy video recording without excessive overheating. Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, next-generation Wi-Fi for significantly faster speeds and lower latency when connected to compatible routers, ensuring the best possible wireless internet experience. Long-term OS support, commitment to a high number of major Android OS upgrades, e.g., up to 7 years, ensuring the phone remains secure, feature-rich, and relevant for years to come. Camera system excellence. 200MP main camera with ProVisual engine, a massive 200-megapixel sensor combined with Samsung's enhanced AI-driven image processing for incredible detail and professional-grade photo quality. Upgraded 50MP ultra-wide camera, a major jump from previous generations. This higher-resolution sensor provides cleaner, more detailed, and brighter ultra-wide shots. Dual telephoto lens system, 3x and 5x optical zoom offering two distinct optical zoom ranges, 3x and 5x, for ultimate versatility in framing, maintaining image quality across a wide spectrum of distances. 100x space zoom, digital plus eye enhancement, the continued flagship feature for extreme zoom capabilities, now enhanced with AI algorithms for clearer, more stable shots at long range. 8K video recording across multiple lenses, the capability to record ultra-high resolution 8K video at 30 fps using the primary, ultra-wide, and periscope cameras, providing professional-level creative flexibility. Design, display and durability. Titanium frame construction, an ultra-strong, lightweight titanium frame provides enhanced durability and a premium, sleek feel. 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, a massive, stunning display with a Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a dynamic 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. Corning Gorilla Armor 2 protection, Galaxy's toughest glass on the front panel, offering superior scratch resistance and an anti-reflective coating to drastically reduce screen glare. 2600 nits peak brightness, an incredibly bright display that ensures perfect visibility even under direct, harsh sunlight. IP68 water and dust resistance, top-tier durability rating, allowing the device to withstand immersion in water and provide total protection against dust. Productivity and eye features. Galaxy Eye integrated S Pen stylus, the signature feature for the Ultra line, offering unmatched precision for note-taking, drawing, on-screen annotation, and remote camera control. Full Galaxy Eye integration with Google Gemini, deeply integrated eye features, powered by Google's Gemini, offering seamless, cross-platform actions and advanced language models for powerful on-device tasks. Generative Edit and Audio Eraser, advanced eye editing tools that let you seamlessly move or remove objects in photos. Generative Edit, and isolate remove specific sounds from recorded videos, audio eraser. Samsung DeX support, wired and wireless transforms the phone into a PC-like desktop experience when connected to a monitor, providing unparalleled productivity for an Android device. Ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor provides highly secure, fast, and reliable biometric authentication, outperforming standard optical sensors in security and reliability.